me show you some glow-in-the-dark action. Okay, like, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna show you my panda. Okay, I'll show you like lots of them here. There. Okay, one sec. Guys, so we're here. I'm sorry you can't see me, but like, maybe you can see like the squishy glow. No, like, no, wait, one sec. I cannot show you them glow in the dark. Oh wait, maybe I can. One sec. Okay, thanks for watching, but it did not work. But go subscribe to my channel. If you guys subscribe, and yeah, you guys will get notified about every new video I make. You are watching. So I'll see you guys later. I love you.